Honda ZR-V is a globally developed SUV for advanced markets with over 8 lakh units being sold worldwide since the 2022 debut. It is celebrated for its distinct design, refined dynamics, and thrilling sports hybrid performance. The India's premium SUV market is evolving too, and expectations have risen. Customers today expect a global standard. They are ready for the best. With all new Honda ZR-V, we promise to deliver the ultimate level of Honda sports hybrid technology now in India. In a world of endless SUV choices, those who define their own path, the drivers, the explorers, the individuals with a very global outlook, who value performance over the flashy badges and a relentless drive to move forward. ZR-V was built on one idea inspired by these values: unleash your potential. Respond to your will, a car that moves with you, empowering you to go further and explore something new. The all-new Honda ZR-V embodies a dignified, elegant design philosophy, emotionally engaging, yet refined and distinctive, and yet sophisticated. A strong, unmistakable road presence defined by clean, flowing proportions, large, smooth surface that moves seamlessly from the front to the rear. A striking light signature defines the ZR-V. Slim, all-LED headlamps with sequential turn indicators are sharp, modern, and distinctive. At the front, a bold and crafted grille establishes a commanding road presence. At the rear, sleek full LED tail lamps delivers a clean, futuristic light signature. Distinct dual tailpipe finishes and a sporty edge completely a bold and unmistakable identity. Well, now you step inside and experience a space which is totally redefined. It is wide, open, and welcoming. A thoughtfully designed dashboard with a wide driver-focused layout, every control is placed exactly where you need. Intuitive and effortless. Our signature high-deck center console creates a true cockpit-like experience, defining personal space with smart storage places. And an electronic gear selector. This frees up the space even further while enhancing everyday's usability. You can see a fine craftsmanship in every detail. Black leather interiors, creating a striking premium contrast. The soft touch material all around are infused with a subtle pearl finish that gently glows under the light. This is truly a global Honda's quality, and you can see, touch, and feel. Well, built on the Honda's man maximum, machine minimum philosophy, the ZR-V maximizes the space with intelligently packed design, a bold silhouette, large wheels, sedan-like comfort with a commanding SUV stance for confident control. And the interesting part, it has up to 1,313 liters of cargo space with a fully flat floor and the second row folded. The all-new ZR-V is designed to fit your lifestyle effortlessly. Engineered for one purpose, to truly enjoy the drive, ZR-V elevates the comfort, confidence, and control to a level beyond its class of SUV, delivering a performance experience closer to the world of luxury SUVs. In the ZR-V, you don't just arrive. You will rediscover the joy of journey. And at its heart, the most critical point is the 2-liter direct injection eHEV sports hybrid, introduced for the first time in Honda in India. It is paired with sophisticated 2-motor eCVT system. This advanced, high-performance, unique engine delivers a strong direct torque for an effortless, powerful drive. Along with this, extended pure electrical driving with greater efficiency without compromising the thrill of the car. Well, acceleration with ZR-V comes as standard. It has the best-in-class torque of 315 Newton meters from the moment you move, 184 PS of refined power, and something which I love, 0 to 100 in just about 7.8 seconds. Powered by advanced control technologies for instant response and smooth and precise acceleration, the ZR-V delivers a sports SUV performance with the intelligence of this hybrid technology. The ultimate sports hybrid comes with 3 drive modes. One touch, the sport mode is on. Sharper response, stronger pull, a drive that pushes you back when into your driving seats. With a finely tuned chassis and steering, it corners like a low-slung sedan. Precise, engaging in total control. And here's another surprise. Where the all-new Honda ZR-V truly shines, it has an exceptional efficiency of 22.8 kilometers a liter. Yes, without compromising the performance. This is Honda's ultimate sports hybrid, seamlessly switching multiple driving modes with extended pure electrical driving in typical urban low-speed conditions. This is the efficiency that truly stands apart from other SUVs. At Honda, safety comes as standard. The all-new Honda ZR-V features the ACE body structure, intelligently engineered with the ultra-high strength steel, 8 airbags, including knee protection and other key safety features. With Honda Sensing, that's the level 2 ADAS, the ZR-V helps to mitigate collisions even before it happens. Truly living up to the Honda's commitment of safety for everyone. And for the pure joy of driving, it has an immersive audio experience. It has the 12-speaker Bose surround sound system with a center point technology and a dedicated subwoofer and precision tune for ZR-V. The result is a rich, concert-like experience whenever you're driving the car. So that's immersive, premium, and unforgettable. The all-new ZR-V anticipates your needs. Your hands full, the power tailgate just opens with a simple kick. And with the walk-away close, just step away from the car and the car takes care of the rest. Also, power-adjusted front seats with a driver memory function recognizes the moment you step inside the car. That's a welcome for every personal touch. Intuitive technology, right at your fingertips, a 10-inch fully digital meter, clear and customizable. A 9-inch freestanding display audio with smartphone connectivity and access to key vehicle information and settings. And yes, a 360-degree camera for complete awareness around you, total command, total confidence. The all-new ZR-V will be coming in 4 striking colors. Choose the one that reflects your style. It is bold, distinct expression, a premium sports hybrid SUV crafted for the performance achiever. With a 2-liter direct injection sports hybrid and unlimited thrill uploaded. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Honda ZR-V hybrid unleashed